In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a task in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to fill in, and how to save your task so it's easy to track and follow up on later. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Zoho CRM credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho CRM homepage or dashboard, depending on how your account is set up. Take a moment to let everything load because the next options we need are in the main navigation. Now, look for the Activities section in the top or side menu, depending on your layout. This is where Zoho groups all of your calls, meetings, and tasks. Go ahead and click on Activities. You should see a page that shows a list or a tabbed view of different activity types. Within Activities, find and click on the option labeled Tasks. This narrows things down, so you're only looking at task-related items instead of all activity types at once. After you click Tasks, you'll see your existing task list, if you have any, along with buttons or links to create something new. Next, we'll actually create a task. Look for a button that says Create Task. This is usually near the top right of the screen. Click Create Task to open the task creation form. A new window or panel will appear with fields you can fill out. Now it's time to enter your task information. Start with the task name or subject. Make this clear and specific so you'll immediately understand what it's about when you see it later. For example, instead of call, you might write follow-up call with prospect about proposal. Then choose the due date so Zoho knows when this task needs to be completed. You can also set the priority, such as low, normal, or high, depending on how important or urgent this task is. If your Zoho setup allows it, you can assign the task either to yourself or to another team member. This is helpful if you're delegating follow-ups or coordinating work across your team. You may also see options to relate the task to a specific contact, lead, deal, or account. Linking the task to a record keeps everything connected in one place, which makes tracking your interactions much easier later. After you've filled out the basic task fields, scroll down to the description area. Here, enter any additional details that will help you or your teammates understand what needs to happen. This might include context from a previous conversation, key points to cover, or any specific instructions. The more clearly you describe the task, the easier it will be to complete it correctly when you come back to it. Once you're happy with all the information and the description looks good, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button at the bottom or top of the form. Zoho CRM will create the task and add it to your task list under Activities. That's it. You've created a task in Zoho CRM, complete with key details and a clear description, so you can stay on top of your follow-ups and daily to-dos.